companies are purchasing class online. That is, with the help of the IT, we are going to purchase the online. So, the e-procurement, also called as electronic procurement, is basically the purchasing of the goods and services over the internet. And when we are purchasing over the internet class, it has make our purchase simpler, faster, cheap, and moreover has given us an access to a large supply of the goods and services. So basically, what is e-procurement class? Purchasing the goods over the internet. Okay, class. Now, and it is possible through B2B sites, that is business to business sites. The business is purchasing from the supplier over the internet. Okay, class. Now, class, e-purchasing को करने से पहले first of all we should know about the purchase cycle. Class, how is our purchase cycle? First of all, the storekeeper tells us the requirement. Then we order. After order, we receive the goods. Then after receiving, the materials are issued to production department for the work, and then finally the manufacturing process starts. This is the normal purchase cycle, class. Okay, class. So the storekeeper is telling the requirement. We are having a control over to whom the supplies is to be order is to be given, class. Then we are agreeing over the price. We are receiving the goods. We are checking whether we have received the same goods or not. We are storing the goods, and later on we are issuing it to the production department. The manufacturing procedure starts, and then we start making arrangements of making a payment to the supplier. Now, e-procurement, when we are purchasing over the internet, has three stages: e-sourcing, e-purchasing, and e-payment. We are going to discuss these stages one by one. E-sourcing means finding the suppliers over the internet. Okay, class. So using the electronic methods of finding new suppliers and establishing the contact is basically called as e-sourcing. So when we, class, have an access to a supplier base over the internet, we can save our administrative overheads. We can even control our cost because we may be able to access to a cheaper supplier. Okay, class. And moreover, the time. If I have to start my work immediately, I can open my net, I can have an access to a supplier base, and I can immediately place the order. That is e-sourcing. Second one is e-purchasing. Once I chooses the supplier, then what do? I place the order with the supplier. I will basically purchase from him. While purchasing, the terms are set. Terms regarding how to pay, terms of delivery, the catalog of prices are to be shared. The discussions regarding the quality of the products is to be there in the e-purchasing. So that is the e-purchasing. And when finally, when we place the order, we make the payment. Normally under e-procurement class, either the payment is at the same time when the goods reach to the businessman, or the payment is generally in advance. And when we e-pay, we can use debit card, credit card, Google Pay, Paytm. We can use any of these in order to go for the e-payment. Okay, class. So that is basically your e-procurement.